especially upon the directive by the NPA and also LPG. Now we can exclusively tell you that a meeting of the LPG Marketers Association just ended and they have decided not to reduce LPG prices as directed by the NPA. They're rather contemplating an increase. Instead, we'll be speaking to the PRO of the LPG Marketers Association as we go on the show. But I've been joined in studio by the Executive Secretary of the Chamber of Petroleum Consumers, COPEC, Duncan Amwa. Duncan, good evening. Cheers. Good to have you.
Good evening, Alfred. Good to be here.
Richmond Roxon is the Principal Researcher at the Institute of Energy Security as well, joining us in studio. Richmond, good evening to you.
Good evening, and always a pleasure.
Thank you so much, gentlemen, for making some time to join us. And for you out there, there's so many ways you can be part of the program as we go on. Now, we visited some petrol stations to find out whether they have complied with this directive by the MPA, and it's just revealed that indeed consumers are yet to enjoy a reduction in the cost of fuel prices in spite of that directive from the National Petroleum Authority for prices to be reviewed.
The NPA has directed oil marketing companies to reduce prices at the pump to ease pressure on consumers effective December 1, 2017. OMZs were asked to use revised prices in the Price Stabilization and Recovery Levy Act to control the recent price increases in petroleum products. This means that petrol will remain